Hey, so real quick, I just wanted to show you guys how to create a frame or logo to put on your live stream videos. I've had this question asked kind of a lot, and I always say I'm going to show you guys, and then I forget. So the first thing is, the most important thing is the website that you're going to type in. I don't know why it's so hard to find this, but I'll make it kind of bigger across the screen so you can actually see it. But it's facebook.com/frames/manage. Type that in. It is going to bring you to your own personal Facebook page frame. So you can see here, I've got the Lulu's Boutique Supply. If I wanted to do it for another page that I own, I could, but this is the one I'm going to work on. And then over here in the corner, I'm going to click on Open Frame Studio. This one just shows the ones I've already made in the past. Once you get to this screen, you're going to click Get Started, and you can just start straight from here. Now, let me be honest, what I do is typically just put a logo at the top or create something that says birthdays, or if I have an announcement to make or if there's a sale, I'll create my image in PicMonkey and then I'll just bring it over here and add it here. That seems to be the easiest for me, and I can kind of show you how to play around with PicMonkey also if you need that. So this is just me so this is what the entire screen would look like, I believe. So then you can kind of move it around according to like how you position yourself during your lives. So if imagine your face is here, do you want the logo at the top of the screen, in the bottom corner of the screen? You can change the size and position and all that. And then, let's see, what does this do? They've kind of changed things around since the last time I made one, but over here you can see if your camera is going to be in portrait mode, this is what it's going to look like. If it's going to be in landscape mode, this is what it's going to look like. Just click next all the way through. Where is it available? Anywhere or only a specific location? The weird thing about this is you're creating a frame that's basically open to the public, and when you change the location, it really doesn't let you zoom all the way into just specifically your house. So I'm like, why would anybody else want to use your logo on their live video? I don't know. So I just do it available anywhere just because it's so difficult to make it zoom like all the way into just your house. I don't know why they can't make it so it's specific to your business. I don't get that. Make it active right away or set a start and end date. I just make it live right away because you could go back and use it every other time, or you can, if you're doing like just a sale, you could use it later if you want to reactivate that sale another time. And then keywords, you would just use your whatever matches your business. You want to name it obviously something to do with your business or your name. So I'm just going to put Lulu's logo, and keywords, I'll put ribbon. Oh, I guess just ribbon. I should have hit enter maybe, but that's okay because I'm just doing this as an example. So this just gives an example of what it's going to look like, and then just click publish. So the only thing is you really can't ever delete it once you do this, and when you go to look for a frame while you're live, it's going to show you like all the frames that have anything to do with you at all, or that you've seen in the past or used in the past or stuff like that. So you kind of have to search for your frame when you're doing it. And finding it shouldn't be hard as long as you know how to go live. You just click on the frames at the bottom of your screen here. Once you go live, you're going to click on frames and then just kind of scroll it. This says tap the camera icon in the Facebook app to open the camera. Yeah, and then you're just going to click frames. And then you just click done. And so this says it was actually already approved, so I should be able to find it now. But let me just show you like this one. Can I click on it? Can I show you guys? Oh, I guess that's as big as I can show you, and it's kind of backwards. But this one just said birthday deal, so I used this one in November since that's my birthday month, or I might have used it like the month in January when it was my business's birthday. I could use that same one. What else have I used? What is this one? I don't know what it is. Oh, this one just says hello in the corner, and it says get it girl, and then has my logo, just something kind of interactive to grab people's attention. This is the one I like to use most often because it has my business logo at the top and then my unique to me bow that matches my wrist in the corner. So like when you see this, you automatically know I'm live, who it is. It's more branded to me. Yeah, if you need information on actually designing the logos, like I said, I just go into PicMonkey, and you can basically put anything and make it into a picture and then share it here to make it into an actual frame. I hope that helps you guys that had that question and want to make your live videos a little more eye-catching and branded to your business. Have a great day.